Welcome to UnoQByte Season 5 powered by Resonance Energy. With us we have Mr. Abhijeet Sinha, who is the Program Director of National Highway for Electric Vehicles. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
So the Uno question to you is related to the 3G charging stations along the highway. So what exactly you have a roadmap for that, and how it will be a game changer for promoting the electric vehicle infrastructure in India?
So third generation, as the name suggests, it is third generation. So first generation was simple petrol pump with diesel and petrol.
Yes.
Second generation was petrol pump with CNG or some places LNG also,
yes.
and also a couple of more fuels, which is flux engine and other biofuels. Very less in numbers.
Yes.
Third generation is going to discontinue petrol and diesel.
Okay.
Which is hydrogen, electric, solar is there, and then also there are provisions for wind energy input is there. And it is also called third generation because of its power competence. It's 3200 kilowatt hour dispensing capability on each station, which is divided into 4 input of from the solar, from the power grid, thermal power grid, and wind energy. Wind, when we call it, is we are referring a wind turbine on the highways, on the divider. And last is if solar or wind has a surplus power, it has capability and the smart equilibrium to send that surplus power on a micro electrolyzer, you can say, for building the hydrogen, for extracting the hydrogen and storing it on the station.
Hydrogen.
For those hours when you do not have thermal grid.
For the lean period, it will store, and when the excess demand is there, then it will again use hydrogen to generate more power.
That's the reason. So you have wind, you have solar, and you have hydrogen. So 3G is because of these 3 fuels. Third generation is because of the generation. And then since it's a 3200 kilowatt hour, then it is third generation. But it is not the end. The Viksit Bharat ambition of taking this third generation charging station between 2040 to 2047, when we are completing as a country 100 years, is to upgrade them into 5th generation. And 5th generation would not only have the 5000 kilowatt hour capability to dispense to the vehicle and dispense to the surrounding, but also it will eliminate thermal power grid. So it will be 100% green charging station. And it will add one localized. And it will add one more value, is it will enable the strip charging of wireless vehicle. So if it is going to be an electric corridor, which in Germany you have seen the overhead wires and then corridors of Scania and Siemens, you will be able to connect it without even touching, and your battery wireless composition can be reduced.
That's absolutely great.
So the vision of 5G is now available with NHEV as a 3G beta version.
So nice. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir, for the nice information. Pleasure meeting you, sir.